I just got a new shipment from Gigahertz Solutions. Let's see what's inside. We represent Gigahertz for the Thailand currently. We're official distributor there. So this is like a body voltage kit where you measure how where you make people hold this bar and plug this kit to the low frequency emitter, and then it reads how saturated your body is with EMF fields. Let's get the cable. Okay, so that's the body voltage kit. This is really heavy. And this is a prong here, okay, for grounding. And this is, it's really nicely packed, like new, everything. I mean, it should be new, right? So, this is like, yeah, you put the meter on the stick, so you get better measurements. You can measure low frequency field from far away. You put this adapter on a meter and then put a stick in, so you can like hold it away from your body, because your body also acts sometimes as a conductive, and it can increase or decrease the actual real EMF readings. And this is the thing, NFA 1000, the flagship of Gigahertz. This is the flagship of low frequency emitters. Nice. I like this already. Wait. Okay. So there's some instructions. Yeah, it's in English too, okay, that's good. And here is the meter. Here's the low frequency meter. It comes with the SD card here, with the rubber protection, and there's all kind of good stuff here. You got the USB cable to plug it to the computer, I guess. The charging cable. I got two charging cables. Why is that for? And this is like the grounding cable, I guess. USB grounding clip. I like this. Yeah, so it resides here. It's really nice. So you get this in Thailand now if you like really wanna. This is like the flagship. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. I used to have the, okay, it's already on. It's like the flagship, yeah, like the old meter, like the smaller one we have like for 10 years. Where's the sound? It doesn't have like 3D measurements. So with this meter you can see which direction the electric and magnetic fields are coming from. And you can also plug the high frequency meter for logging on this meter. It's really nice. There's so many settings here. With old small meter ME, what is the name? I don't even know. You have like only a few settings, but this is like loaded with stuff. Here you can record, you can do so much stuff. And it shows you currently what frequency electric fields. Am I in electric fields mode? I don't even know how to change this right now. or they have like hold and peak, hold the highest value and hold the peak value. It's the same as high frequency meter. You got 3D, oh, magnetic 3D. I'm in magnetic right now, so if you go electric, yeah, you got electric in 3D in all the three directions, and with this setting you got only one direction. You can switch here which angle, X, Y or Z angle you're measuring. You can switch here. Yeah, this is like so good, so you can know exactly where the EMFs are coming from. I mean, this is like a professional device. It's not for like starters. We would recommend on our shop. We don't sell this on our shop because this is bought on directly from Gigahertz, but in Thailand we represent this, so you can get it through us. It's really nice. I don't know where's the sound. Oh yeah, here I guess. Loud. So it measures from 5 kilohertz to 1000 kilohertz EMF in Y, Z and X direction. It's really nice. It's really heavy. It's really nicely made. So the body voltage kit, you plug it here somewhere, I think, AC/DC, and then you measure people how saturated they are. And this is for the, it's really nice. I don't know why they gave me like 2 chargers. So that's it from today. Almost fall down. So check out our website for new tutorials, new stuff, and see you in another video.